Hello students, now we are taking case 4th, that is when old ratio of the old partners and the share of new partner only is given in the problem. In earlier cases there may be old ratio and sacrifice ratio, sacrifice share, surrender share is given in that problem. But in this case, when old ratio and of the old partner and new partner share is given in the problem, only this much information is given in the problem. In that case, we have to find out first remaining share. ರಿಮೇನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಶೇರನ್ನು. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ದೊಳಗಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೀ, ಉಳಿತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ದೊಳಗಿಂದ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ₹1 ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಳಿತ ಎಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಉಳಿತು. ಆ ಹಾಫ್ದೊಳಗಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಬೇಕಾದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ರಿಮೇನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್. ರಿಮೇನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1. How it should be calculated here? Remaining share, here subtracting the new partner's share. New partner share is already given in that problem. That share is subtracted from the 1. The remaining share is multiplied with the old share to calculate the new ratio. Here only 2 steps are there. First we have to calculate remaining share, after that new ratio. So that's why first only thing different is that remaining share should be find out here. That should be to find out here by subtracting the new partner share from the 1, and that remaining share is multiplied with the old share to calculate the new ratio. Take one problem here. Raja Rani are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit monthly into the partnership and give him 1/6 share. Calculate NPSR. As told here, in the case only in this problem old ratio and new partner share is given. By taking this much only you have to find out or calculate new ratio. First you take that what given in that problem. First old ratio is here 3:2, and 3 is belongs to Raja and 2 is belongs to Rani. And new partners share equals to 1/6. Only this much is given in that problem. So first step 1 is calculation of remaining share. Here in this case formula becomes changed here. Which formula? That is new ratio formula. New ratio formula is different here. That's why you should find out first remaining share. That remaining share is find out by calculating first remaining share equals to new partners share minus 1. Here remaining share is calculated with new partners share, that is monthly's share minus 1. Here in the problem monthly's share is 1/6 share. So 1 divided by 6 minus 1. So that should be calculated with here remaining share formula is not new partner share minus 1. New partner share is subtracted from the 1 here. So 1 minus new partner share becomes here. So 1 minus new partner share is 1/6. That becomes here 5/6. How it comes here? Here also multiplied with 1 and here 6. 1 into 6 here. So 6 is common here, and here also multiplied with 6 and here 1. So 6 ones are 6, 1 ones are 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So that directly becomes here 5 divided by 6. This is the remaining share. Next step is step 2, that is calculation of new ratio. Calculation of new ratio here. First individual, who is the first partner? Raja. Raja's new share. First you write new share formula, that is old share into remaining share. old share into remaining share. In all problem you should write the first main formula. After that you should take individual new shares. Raja's new share. Now old share of Raja here 3 divided by 5 into remaining share 5 divided by 6. So cancel here, 5 ones are 5 ones are, it remains only 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are, it is a half. Or only you should put 3 divided by 6 also. It is also okay, it is also okay. Next one, Rani's new share equals to old share of Rani is 2 divided by 5 and remaining share becomes same here, 5 divided by 6. Here cancel 5 and 2 divided by 6 is the new share of Rani. And last partner, Mantri's new share. The given new partner share is 1/6. As it is put there, 1/6 share. Now NPSR becomes NPSR of all partners. NPSR equals to 3 divided by 6 raised to 2 divided by 6 raised to 1 divided by 6, or 3:2:1. This is the NPSR calculation of all partners including new partner here. That becomes 3:2:1. So only thing different is that you should calculate the remaining share in this case. That should be calculated with 1 minus new partner share. After that remaining share you got there, and after you should calculate the new share by taking the remaining share into old share.